Hello, my name is Faiz Ahmed. I am going to show my project on IoT-based drone environment monitoring system. This project simulates a drone monitoring system using ESP32 and sensors to track environmental parameters like temperature, gas level, and motion. The components that I have used in my project are ESP32 board, DHT22, this measures temperature and humidity, MQ2, this detects gas or smoke in the environment, MPU 6050, used to monitor motion, like drone orientation. OLED, displays all the live sensor readings. LED, lights up when gas levels are high. Now it's time for code walkthrough. Here, I'm reading temperature, gas, and motion data, and displaying it on the OLED. If gas value exceeds 600, LED turns ON as a warning. Now I am running the simulation to show how it works. As you can see, the gas value is high, and the LED alert turns ON to warn the user. This project simulates an IoT-based drone system that monitors environmental conditions in real time. It uses sensors to track temperature, humidity, gas levels, and motion. Alerts are given through an LED when dangerous gas levels are detected. This system can help in pollution control, disaster response, and public safety monitoring. Thank you.